Welcome to another session of Eat to be Alive. Why is drinking milk not healthy? It is actually my opinion, and I'd like to state this, and that's important that you actually go into research this on Google and any other websites, Medscape, and that's important. Look into that. So you're going to hear it from my side. So after 4 years of age, we're not supposed to be drinking any other milk than our own species, our mom's milk. So by any genetic mishap, it happened that the enzyme which will be breaking down the milk particles actually stayed in us. In Asian, Chinese especially, and African Americans, this enzyme is missing. They're greatly lactose intolerant, they cannot take any milk. And you can see that in these nations, especially Chinese, the breast cancer rate is actually very low because they don't consume any dairy. Now, what is bad in milk for us? So the number one agent in milk is basically casein. Casein is the protein, and it's cow's milk basically is very high in protein. If we compare the cow's milk to the mother's milk, it's very high in protein. Mother's milk is a lot higher in fat and very low in protein because the infant's intestines are still not developed. For the developing gut, having too much protein, like casein, in this case, from dairy milk, cow's milk, it actually causes inflammation in the digestive gut, in the little villi, which I described before in what is the gut. So all these little microvilli are actually not even developed, and anytime the casein comes along, causes inflammation, and this inflammation is followed by scarring. Anytime inflammation, scarring, all those poor little villi, microvilli are not being developed in the gut. So this is why you got immune-compromised child who has lots of allergies, gets sick all the time, because they are greatly just allergenic. All those agents of the milk proteins and other food substances going through their gut and can enter into the blood. So basically, when we look at milk, best thing and the closest actually for us is goat's milk. If there is any chance that you need to be actually drinking milk, then goat's milk would be the least, having the least amount of protein in there. But in any way, I'm just suggesting to get off milk, and that is just my opinion. And there is one more opinion which actually just came out now, that raw milk from farms actually good for us. But in any way, if you have a problem that is milk is causing you any mucus and it makes you cough and it coats your esophagus, then basically you have a problem with that. So I would look into that, taking 6 weeks off from dairy and see how your body reacts. So thank you for listening. This is another session of Eat to be Alive.